Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a new Colourpop collection. This is the Shell Yeah Collection. It says get glowy, luminous looks with our latest collection of opal inspired shades for the summer. When I saw the packaging in like pictures on Instagram, I saw them before I got it in the mail and I was like, wow, the packaging on some of these are really pretty. I'm like always drawn to like iridescent opal packaging, so this was like right up my alley. After watching this collection is launching June 30th, which is today at 10 a.m. PST. As always, you guys can use my code. It is just KATRINA and it'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. So if I'm a little low energy in this video, I'm so sorry, TMI. I have like the worst cramps right now. Working through the suffering right now. We are all good, but I can feel myself being a little low energy, so I apologize. But anyways, let me show you guys this collection. I'm gonna be doing swatches, close-ups. You guys know the drill, so let's just go ahead and get into it. The first thing that we have in this collection are two pressed powder palettes. So we have two of them. They're like little small 9 pans. It says a collection of shimmering opalescent palettes featuring sheer opals, bright aquas, and stunning tie-dye hues in matte, satin pearl, matte sparkle, super shock, and sheer sparkle finishes. So these are the two palettes right here. One is like more pinks and aqua blues, and then this one is a little bit more like warm, rosy, warm tones. I really like this clear packaging just because like you can see the colors in here without having to like open it or anything. So I really like that. I like this. It's like the nice sturdy plastic packaging. So blue one is called Shell Shocked, and then the more warm tone pinky orangey one is What the Shell, which I really like that name a lot. But yeah, so those are the two palettes. I have two Super Shock face quads. So these are some highlighter palettes. It says get the power of 4 highlighters with these supercharged quads featuring our OG bouncy formula in a soft and summery pearlized finishes for a pop-in glow. So you can definitely use these as highlighters like as they're intended, but I feel like you can probably use the one in this one. This one is Shell Yeah. These ones can work a little bit more as a blush. I have one of them as a blush on today. So Midas Shell has some more like lighter highlight shades. Again, it's in that clear, sturdy plastic packaging. But yeah, Midas Shell has like some champagne, some gold, some like pink, and then lavender, like really light shades. This will work really nicely on like lighter skin tones. We have Shell Yeah. This one, I was able to use one of these. I feel like I probably used like 2 of them as a blush. We have like a lighter gold shade and like a lavender shade. This would work on, I think, really pretty as a highlight on like deeper, like tan to deeper skin tones. But like I said, I was able to use it as blushes. So if you are like my skin tone, you could probably do that as well. But yeah, so those are the 2 quads in here. 3 So Glassy Glosses. So it says our newest gloss formula amps up shine with a finish that's glassy AF, featuring totally opal inspired shades with prismatic pearls for a multi-dimensional crystal-like shine. It comes in this like really pretty like opal iridescent packaging, which I love. And all 3 of these glosses, they look a little similar. They are like a clear gloss with some kind of shimmer throughout it. So we have Beach Please, and this one has some like pink and blue lavender shimmer throughout it. Then we have My Goodies. This one has like some pink and a little bit of gold shimmer throughout it. And then Sunshine Required. This one is just like gold shimmer throughout it. But yeah, they all have a clear base with some shimmer through the gloss. So just keep that in mind if you were thinking about picking up all 3 of them. I think they all look a little similar. And last but not least, we have a Soul Body Shimmering Body Powder. This is in the shade Skinny Dippin', and it is in this pretty opal iridescent packaging with a seashell on the front. It's really pretty. This is what I saw. I had seen pictures online first before I got it in the mail, and I was like, that is stunning. It looks like once you open it up, it is this pretty peachy gold highlighter. It is stunning. I feel like if you are like my skin tone, you could probably use this as a blush or blush topper if you really wanted to. And if you're more like tan, deeper skin tones, you could use this as a highlighter. That is everything in the collection. So this is a look that I came up with today using the products from the collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on everything, then just keep watching. So my eyes are already primed. I just primed them with the About Face shadow primer. I use the Shell Shocked palette. It's like a tongue twister. The Shell Shocked palette. This one is the more blue toned one. I was gonna use, I just feel like between the 2, I like this palette a little bit. Like I like the colors in here a little bit more than this one. I just think for like what I want to do today, like makeup wise, I think this one's gonna be like really good for that. I want to do something like really soft and pretty, not anything like super dramatic. I feel like the last look that I just did was dramatic, so I want to like change it up a little bit. So I'm gonna start off with the shade Pacific Standard. It is this light blue. This has some shimmer in it, but it's one of those like matte shimmers where if you dust off some of it, most of the shimmer comes out. So I'm gonna pack this on the outer part, or like the outer half of my eye, because I really want to take that like lavender shade on the inner part. Just packing this shade on. With another fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with Got a Tan, the light, it's like a lavender pinkish shade. I'm putting this on the inner part, and I'm gonna do the same thing, just pack that on, and then I'm gonna slowly blend that to the center so it's nice and seamless. Like exactly what I wanted to do, just something like really like light and pastel. It's definitely like a very light shade, both of them, but that's kind of what I'm going for. I don't really feel like wearing lashes today either, so that's kind of like the perfect look to do so, to just kind of wear mascara, call it a day. I'm going back with this blue shade and just kind of bringing this towards the outer part. I think on top of this, since the lavender pinkish shade is a little light, I kind of want to go over it with this shade right here. I never know if the freaking labels in the back are like flip-flopped, but it's this shade in the corner. It's like a light white frosty shade with like purple and blue sparkle throughout it. So I'm going to take this. I think this is a Super Shock shadow. It feels like it, but it's so pretty and it has like that pink shift to it, so it'll go perfect over that pink shade we just put down. Oh yeah, that is perfect. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I haven't done this eye yet, but I'll get to it. Do this eye really quick and put on some foundation, and I'll be right back. Went ahead and just did my foundation and bronzer really quick. So we're gonna move on to the little highlighter palettes. I'm really excited because I really like both of these a lot. We have one that's a little bit lighter, and this one has like more like golds and like a lavender in here. But this one's like definitely a little bit more wearable. And then this one is a little bit brighter. I feel like this one can work on a lot of more like tan and deeper skin tones, but not just that. I feel like this shade right here, I don't know, with Salt, I think. This one, it looks like such a pretty blush. Obviously, these are Super Shock highlighters, so if you don't like shimmery blushes, this will not work for you. But I love shimmery blushes, so I feel like I can make this one work as a blush instead of a highlighter, or even just a blush topper if you wanted to, but I'm just going to go in straight as a blush, a little bit at a time, and see how it looks. I'm just going to buff that out so it's not super intense. Definitely, and this like saves you from like doing blush and highlight if you just want to like skip a step. I think this is so pretty. I really like this a lot. It doesn't look overly highlightery, if that makes sense. So I'm just putting a little bit at a time. And I don't find that using like the Super Shock highlighters as blushes or anything like emphasizes texture or like makes your pores look big. Love it. And since it's a highlighter, you already have that highlight on there as well. I'm gonna go in with more highlight, but as a blush, I think that is so pretty. So I really like that. I like the other colors in here too. I think even this would be a really pretty blush if you were a little bit of a tan or deeper skin tone. I feel like that might be a little too bright for me right now. But I am gonna go in with the other one. This one is Midas Shell. This brighter one was called Shell Yeah, which I really like. But this one's Midas Shell. I'm gonna go in with the lavender highlight a little bit and just kind of put that right here. Oh, that was really intense. I'm just taking a little bit. I don't want to do too much. I don't really like that actually. I can definitely see the purple when I'm looking straight, so I don't like that. I'm gonna go in with just like this natural highlight right here. It's like a nice champagne-y color. Just gonna put that right on the high point. Oh, that is very intense. Take this same shade that I just used, this one. I think this one's called Sunlit, or yeah, I think it's Sunlit. I'm taking this down the center of my nose. I already contoured my nose, so it's a really pretty highlighter. I really like this a lot actually. I just did a little bit of some baking real quick. So let me move on to the lower lash line. I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did on the top on the lash line, along the lower lash line. So I'm starting off with the blue and just going on the outer part, connecting that to the top. I'm taking the other shade, on the inner part. For my inner corner, I'm going to take this shade, Knee Deep. It is the like shimmery bluish shade. I'm gonna pop that right on the inner part. It doesn't show up that much. It's very sheer. Okay, cute. I feel like a little fairy or like a little mermaid or something. I'm gonna put on some mascara and then we'll finish off with the lips. The glosses in here are so pretty, so I'm excited for those. So I'll be right back. Okay, I just put on a little bit of mascara. I completely forgot. I completely forgot about this. This is the Soul Body Shimmering Body Powder. I would have used this as a blush too, honestly. I would use this as a blush. I'm gonna put a little bit more on, because why not? But I really do like the one that I used in here for blush, but since I have this one too, let's use it. I'm a little bit more afraid to use this one as blush, just because I feel like it has a little bit more shimmer in it, but maybe if I do that, it's very highlightery, but it is a highlight, so I'm not surprised. But I think if you do tap some of it off, like some of that glitter comes out. So it's also like a shimmering body powder. I'm gonna put a little bit on my shoulders. I'm wearing a white shirt. This was a mistake. I don't know if you can tell too much on camera. I'm like scared to put too much because I'm wearing white right now, but super cute. And this packaging is everything. It's like the prettiest iridescent opal packaging. I have 3 of these So Glassy Glosses. Now all of these they look very similar. They have a clear base. I don't even know how I'm going to swatch these later on when I do swatches. But they all have a clear base with like a different shimmer throughout them. But yeah, they all look similar. I definitely don't think you need all 3. So like one has like some pink. This one's a little bit more of like a lavender bluish shimmer throughout it, and this one's a little bit more gold. I'm gonna go with the pink one. But I am gonna put a liner on first. Let me grab my big box of lippy pencils. What color is this? Oh Snap, maybe? Yeah, let's try Oh Snap and see how that looks. Okay, yeah, this is perfect. So since the glosses have more of a sheer, it's like a clear gloss base, I'm going to go in a little bit more with liner underneath just so I have a base color. Yeah, so I'm going to use My Goodies. This one is the one that has like a pink and gold shift on it. So let's see. Ooh, super pretty. Oh, I didn't think this through. Yeah, this is definitely going to be like one of those ones that get dirty. But this is really pretty. I really like this. Yeah, I like this a lot. I think I'm going to take a little bit of, what color is this? No, I don't want that one. A little bit of Bad Habit. This one's like very pink, but kind of a little bit more pink in the lips. There we go. I just want like a little bit more color. Perfect. So this is the finished look. This is exactly what I had in mind. I just wanted to do something really like light and fresh, super cute, and honestly it's giving like fairy vibes. I really like it. It's like fairy or like mermaid vibes. I really like this like light blue tealish color with like purpley pinks together. I think it's like one of my favorite color combos to do. I love the very like subtle lash, like just no lashes, just very simple, fresh and easy, and I really like this lip combo as well. But overall I really like this collection. I think it's super cute. Definitely between the 2 palettes I like the blue one a little bit more. I just like these colors better than, not better, but I mean I can definitely see myself getting use out of the other one, this one. Because like I do like those pinks and stuff, but I feel like it's, I don't know, there's something about the tones in here that's like really not doing much for me. Like, I don't know. Like it's okay, but this one is definitely very cute, very fun. I just feel like I can do a lot with this one. I really like the colors in here. It's really pretty, performed really well. The colors, even though they're like light pastels, were still pretty pigmented. I can definitely see like the color payoff from them. The 2 cheek palettes, the Midas Shell and Shell Yeah, It's so crazy because I thought I was gonna like this one more than this one, but I think I like this one a little bit more. I just feel like I can use these as blushes and they'd be like really fun. I really liked this one as a blush. I thought it looked super pretty. It looks a little bit more intense now just because I put that other highlighter on top, but initially I really liked this one by itself. It was so cute. This will be like a really fun, pretty blush. I like the lavender in here as well. This gold is pretty. I do like this one. I just feel like this one's obviously a little bit more wearable. But also feel like a little bit more of a lighter skin tone as well. I wasn't too crazy about the lavender one in this one just because I thought it was gonna look a little bit nicer, but I feel like I could see it when I looked straight ahead, which I don't like that at all. But I do think the other three in here are really nice and subtle and like easy to wear. I liked all three glosses. All of them are really great. Do I think you need all three of them? No, because I feel like even though I have it on top of a lip liner right now, I can see that hint of like pink. I feel like when I have them on top of any lip liner, I feel like they're all gonna look the same. Because I can definitely see like the hint of pink shimmer like when I turn my head, but it's not anything super noticeable. That's so like I feel like you don't need all three of them. I would pick probably either Sunshine Required or My Goodies. I mean, I feel like when you have Beach Please on like top of something, I feel like you could probably see this one a little bit more too, just because it has that hint of blue. It's a little bit more noticeable, but I don't know, I like the other two better. But yeah, I think like definitely you don't need all three. I would say one is good. I do like this formula really, like I like it a lot. It feels really nice. It's super glossy, so your lips look nice and juicy. But yeah, I think my favorite is definitely the one I have on, which is My Goodies. Lastly, the Soul Body highlighter. Packaging, perfection. I love this like opal iridescent packaging. It's really pretty. And I did like this actually as a blush as well. You could definitely put this on your body and give some like shimmer. They look really pretty on top of like the shimmering dry oils as well. But just on their own too, this is a really pretty highlight if you're like maybe more tan, but I definitely could use it as a blush topper. I do feel like if you go a little too heavy-handed with it though, it is very intense. There is more glitter in like this highlighter than the one in this one. So if you just tap off a little bit of the excess, it does come out. But even just putting like that a little bit on top of the one I already had on, it looked a lot more intense. So, but the packaging is really cute and I love the scent of the Soul Body highlighters. Overall, I think this is a really cute collection. It's cute for summer. It's giving like summer fairy mermaid vibes. But yeah, I think it's really cute. My favorite things is definitely this palette and this palette right here. So let me know what you guys think about this collection down below in the comments. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. So anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.